Hey everybody, Jordan Burke here at Lawn Level Marina, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through our 2022 Catalina Elite Series boat. It is getting rigged with a Mercury 200 horsepower motor, is a tri-tune, and has a ton of upgraded options. Let's take a look. This really unique floor plan on the Catalina Elite allows for seating up to 14 people. A really cool feature this boat has, because it's a tri-tune, is the in-tube storage. It is big enough for your skis, wakeboards, and any tubes. So on the dash we do have the Fusion 670 surround sound system. It allows you to control the volume at both the front and back of the boat. We also have the Garmin 73 SV. It has depth finder and fish finder capabilities. You'll also notice that it does have mood lights and a loud horn. Now that you've seen the inside and outside of the boat, if you have any additional questions or want to come take a look, please feel free to give us a call at 717-252-1589 and ask for Jordan in Sales. Take care.